Hello everyone, welcome to happymath.com. So this time we want to construct the pie chart using Excel. Okay, so look at this problem. So using the given data, construct a pie chart. So this is the types of automobiles, so like cars, a truck, or motorcycle and others, and those are frequency value here. Okay, now, so you are highlighting all this automobile part here, and then go to insert and recommend chart, or you can just click pie chart as well. Now you select the pie chart, then make OK. Then that's basically pie chart for this data set. And now, so usually we want to show the percentage value based on each category. So you can just go to chart design here, then you can choose any chart to show the percentage as well. So I think this may be good, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so now it shows the cars, and then orange become trucks, gray become motorcycles, and then yellow become others, and it shows the 49%, 37%, 12%, 2% like that. And now the chart title, you can switch that as a pie chart. And then just give this answer, or if you want to maybe make a different design, then click the chart design again and just find out which one you like basically. So there are many design is available, so on the chart design here. So yeah, this is also good design because it shows that cars 49% and truck 37%, motorcycle 12%, others 2% like that. Okay, so that's how you create that pie chart using Excel. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to construct the pie chart using Excel. Alright then, thank you, and then I will come back with a different video. Bye.